Choosing the perfect laptop for programming is more than just chasing specs or the fastest CPU. Developers juggle many tasks: writing code, testing software, running simulations, designing interfaces, and sometimes dabbling in AI or heavy graphics work. Your laptop should be a productivity booster, not a bottleneck. Factors like display clarity, keyboard comfort, port variety, battery endurance, and overall portability play crucial roles in making or breaking your coding experience. So whether you're a student learning Python, a mobile app dev, or an enterprise-level software engineer, picking the right machine will amplify your workflow. Here's a rundown of the best laptops for programmers in 2025, each crafted to suit different budgets and needs. Let's get into it. Lenovo Yoga 9i14 Gen 9, best convertible for developers. For developers who love versatility, the Lenovo Yoga 9i14 Gen 9 is a dream machine. Featuring an Intel Core Ultra 7 155H processor, 16GB RAM, and a snappy 1TB SSD, it's well equipped to handle a variety of development tasks, from full-stack web dev to app testing on emulators. Its real showstopper is the 14-inch OLED touchscreen with a 2880 by 1800 resolution and a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate, making it ideal for UI UX designers and mobile app developers. The 2-in-1 form factor with a 360-degree hinge allows you to switch between laptop, tent, and tablet modes seamlessly, providing flexibility whether you're coding, sketching, or collaborating. Adding to its flair is the rotating soundbar hinge that delivers top-tier audio, elevating your experience during video calls or multimedia testing. Battery life is excellent, hitting nearly 18 hours on standard use, and it's extremely portable at just 2.98 pounds. However, it lacks an HDMI port and SD card slot, which could be limiting for users relying on those connections. For developers who prioritize flexibility, premium aesthetics, and a rich multimedia experience, the Yoga 9i is a fantastic choice. Pros: stunning OLED touchscreen with 120Hz refresh rate, flexible 2-in-1 design, impressive 18-hour battery life, integrated soundbar hinge for rich audio, lightweight and ultra-portable. Cons: no HDMI port, lacks SD card reader. The Asus Vivobook 16 M1605 is a fantastic entry-level choice for programmers looking for a solid machine without spending a fortune. Powered by an AMD Zen 3 processor, it may not rival the latest gen CPUs in raw performance, but it's more than capable of handling everyday development tasks like coding in Visual Studio Code, compiling small to medium projects, and managing databases. The 16-inch screen is a big win, offering a spacious canvas for multitasking across multiple code windows. You also get a comfortable keyboard, a large and responsive touchpad, and a fingerprint sensor for secure, quick logins. Battery life clocks in at around 8 hours under light use, which might not last an entire workday, but it's serviceable for casual use or classroom settings. While 16GB of RAM is recommended, it can be hard to find models with that configuration out of the box. Luckily, Asus made RAM user upgradable, so you can easily install additional memory later. However, compromises exist. The display maxes out at 250 nits, making it tough to use outdoors or in bright environments. Also, the lone USB-C port lacks video output support, limiting external monitor connectivity to HDMI only. The built-in webcam is basic, delivering overexposed and soft images, not ideal for professional video calls. Despite these trade-offs, if you're on a tight budget and need a no-nonsense programming laptop that gets the essentials right, the Vivobook 16 is a reliable pick. Pros: affordable with solid build quality, large 16-inch display for productivity, fingerprint sensor for security, user upgradable RAM slot. Cons: dim display unsuitable for bright environments, only one USB-C port, no video output via USB-C, mediocre webcam quality, battery life may require midday charging. Dell Precision 5690, best for AI CAD and heavy workloads. The Dell Precision 5690 is a workstation beast, tailored for developers tackling the most demanding workloads. Think AI model training, CAD design, simulation rendering, and GPU-accelerated development. Armed with an Intel Core Ultra 9 185H processor, 32GB RAM, and an NVIDIA RTX 5000 Ada GPU with 16GB of VRAM, this laptop chews through parallel computing tasks and heavy multitasking effortlessly. The 16-inch 4K OLED touchscreen delivers impeccable visuals, making it ideal for developers working with data visualization, complex design systems, and interface-heavy applications. Despite being a workstation-class machine, Dell has kept the design surprisingly sleek at only 0.87 inches thick and weighing 4.46 pounds, which is quite portable given the hardware inside. Battery life surpasses expectations, offering over 17 hours of usage on lighter tasks. Connectivity includes Thunderbolt 4, HDMI, and SD card support, but notably omits USB-A ports, which might necessitate dongles for certain peripherals. Given its high-end internals, it does come with a hefty price tag, making it more suitable for enterprise developers, design studios, and software professionals who need serious computing muscle on the move. Pros: unmatched CPU plus GPU performance for heavy dev tasks. Gorgeous 16-inch 4K OLED touchscreen. Battery life exceeds 17 hours. Surprisingly portable for a workstation. Enterprise-level build and support. Cons: no USB-A ports. Expensive investment. MSI Prestige 16 AI Evo, best battery life performer. The MSI Prestige 16 AI Evo is a premium machine that delivers remarkable performance without sacrificing portability. It's powered by Intel's Core Ultra 7 155H processor and boasts 32 gigabytes of RAM, which ensures seamless multitasking across complex IDEs, virtual machines, and browser tabs loaded with dev tools. The 1TB SSD guarantees quick file access and rapid boot times. The real head-turner, however, is its stunning 16-inch 4K OLED display with a resolution of 3840x2400. This panel makes every line of code, UI layout, and graphical element pop with exceptional clarity and vibrant colors, perfect for developers in design-heavy fields. Despite its large screen, the laptop weighs just 3.31 pounds and is impressively thin, making it a strong companion for developers on the go. Battery life is simply outstanding, pushing close to 19 hours on light tasks, meaning you can confidently leave the charger at home. Port selection is versatile, offering Wi-Fi 7, an SD card slot, HDMI and USB-C. However, it only features one USB-A port, which might be limiting for legacy devices. Additionally, the keyboard, while backlit and full-sized, feels a bit on the stiffer side. Nonetheless, the Prestige 16 AI Evo is an excellent pick for developers needing power, a jaw-dropping display, and marathon battery life packed into a travel-friendly form factor. Pros: brilliant 4K OLED display, 16-inch, nearly 19-hour battery life, lightweight and slim for its size, Wi-Fi 7 and SD card slot included, strong multitasking capability. Cons: limited USB-A port availability, stiff keyboard may not appeal to all, premium price bracket. Acer Swift Go 14 2024, best affordable ultrabook. The Acer Swift Go 14 is a lightweight powerhouse designed for programmers who need mobility without compromising on performance. Equipped with Intel's latest Meteor Lake CPU, it smoothly handles coding projects, simulations, and even some light graphic tasks. With configurations offering up to 32GB RAM and 2TB of storage, you have the flexibility to choose a model that fits your workflow. Its slim and elegant chassis, combined with a weight of under 3 pounds, makes it a joy to carry around. Display options include a Full HD Plus IPS panel or a more premium 2 and 8K OLED variant. The OLED model offers vibrant colors and perfect blacks, making it a visual treat for developers working on UI UX, though it does come with the caveat of potential burn-in and slightly lower battery endurance. The laptop's build quality is robust, feeling premium despite minor flecks on the lid and deck. A wide array of ports, 2 Thunderbolt 4s, HDMI and USB-A, means you won't be reaching for dongles every time. The keyboard is spacious but feels a bit soft when typing. Battery life excels at over 11 hours of web browsing, perfect for long coding sessions. However, the RAM is soldered, so choose wisely when purchasing, as upgrades aren't possible later. For developers who want an ultra-portable machine with powerful internals and fantastic battery life at an approachable price, the Swift Go 14 is a compelling choice. Pros: lightweight and ultra-portable. Sharp OLED display option. Excellent battery life, 11 hours. Thunderbolt 4 and HDMI ports included. Affordable price point. Cons: RAM is soldered, non-upgradable. OLED model drains battery faster. Keyboard feels slightly mushy. OLED susceptible to burn-in with static content. From budget warriors to portable powerhouses and creative convertibles, These laptops are tailored to meet the diverse needs of programmers in 2025. Whether you're coding on a budget with the Asus Vivobook, chasing battery longevity with the MSI Prestige, or pushing the limits with Dell's Precision workstation, the right device can supercharge your productivity and make coding a delight. Do you want me to prepare a YouTube video layout next? Scene by scene storyboard with B-roll suggestions and captions?